Welcome back to another session here. So it's going to be very interesting today. I really look forward to this session here. Thursday, 22nd of May. We have news coming in today. Um, French flash manufacturer PMI, and we're also going to have some German flash manufacturer PMI at 9:30. So these news is going to move the market a lot. Okay, so this is the day for DAX, and this is what I have been preparing for. This is very great for me, hopefully. So we're going to have some lot of volatility here, a lot of fluctuation, but let's see. So 4 hour time frame, still pointing up, no break below 750, no break below 900 really. We have some selling pressure yesterday, all the way back to 871, but not really further. So just tuning in. Gonna see if this is gonna move the market. Remember, we have news in about 25 minutes, so I'm not gonna trade over these news, and I'm not gonna wait for anything to happen. I'm just gonna react and take a couple of points and whatever the market really have to offer me. So the market have to offer me maybe 20 points, maybe 50 points. We will see if we're getting rejected here and come back, or if we just keep continuing pushing, and then I might do a long position. Let's see. So I know exactly this could push back to, I'm aware of that we could potentially push back to 166, or first maybe 83. So I'm just waiting for it to actually close above 39, and I'll go for a long back to 86 or 100. But let's see. Haven't done anything so far. I'm still waiting for confirmation. I have to be a little bit careful here this morning. If we look at Wall Street, Wall Street is still trading lower, but it's holding the great support. So for me, I'm not really negative. Only if we break below this line here, then I'm gonna start being more, okay, it's gonna sell off, it's gonna continue selling off, but right now it's holding beautiful. Very slow morning. I'm just waiting for it to break above and close above 150 for me to really confirm. Same over here, I'm just waiting for it to close above 40.39. Same for the UK. Just waiting for it to come above 87.57. Right now it's just selling off, but there's no really clear confirmation in the market. But this could look like a potential short opportunity. I'm actually very close to short the market. But again, it could potentially push back to 0.51. I haven't done anything yet, I'm still waiting. Let's see here. So UK is holding right now, so no confirmation, and DAX is also holding quite good. Selling below now. Let's see if we get the confirmation. Nasdaq also selling a little bit off. It could come back now potentially, the DAX to the upside, but it could also come back, let's see here, to 750. I don't really think the market is going to do that much before we're going to have news, but this looks like a short-term long position. Staying by for a long position. I'm probably going to grab 5-10 points, quick scalping. Probably going to take it back to 40. Let's see. You could also sell off from now. I'm planning to actually take a short position if we break below 91. So for me, I'll personally take a short if we break below 91, and I'll personally take a quick long position if we break above 40. If we come back to 24, I could consider taking a long back to here, set a tight stop loss and risk 10 points, 15 points, and target potentially 40 points. Yeah, it looks like it's going to push back now. Fuji is also moving back. Yeah. So there was 25 points that we could have got very quick here by going long around lows and target probably highs for yesterday. So I think that's it. That is my plan of going long around support for the opening lows, have a tight stop loss, and target yesterday highs. So I'm preparing myself for going long here. I'm just gonna wait a little bit here. Give me a second. Nasdaq also kind of like a little bit tricky. I'm gonna go in for a quick long here. It's very risky, okay? But I'm gonna buy it here. It's currently trading at 96. I have a stop loss at 82, and I will take a stop loss here. I'm risking 0.3%. So 0.3% of the current account balance, okay? Just so you're aware. So you don't freak out. So I'm not losing that much if it hits my stop loss. I'm losing almost nothing compared to what I'm gonna target. Let's see if this is gonna sell off. Yes, I got stopped out. That's fine, no worries. Stopped out at 80. That could potentially be a fake out, but let's see here. I'm actually preparing myself for a short position. I'm gonna take a short position here. We have break below where I want to short it. So either it's gonna be a short or either it's gonna be a long. But right now and today it's a short. We went below the line. So let's see here if it's gonna sell off or if it's just gonna come right back up again. I'm still short, as you can see. So I did one position. I lost 0.3%. So I would almost nothing. No progress really below. Gonna move my stop loss to break even once we're gonna break below 77. So 77. I'll move my stop loss to break even. We didn't manage to break below, and it could potentially come all the way back up again. Let's see. So strong push here, just consolidating. So it got rejected at 40. Let's see if it's going to sell back to potentially 877, yesterday's lows, or if this is just going to push again. It could potentially push, so just be aware of the risk. So far this short is not really working. They're just pushing the market and holding it. Again, once we break below, moving stop loss to break even, I will hold it back to lows for yesterday's. That's what I'm going to target. We are still on the short side, so we're still on the short signal for me. So that's why I went short. Let's see here. Gonna move my stop loss to break even once we're gonna break below 77, not 77.5 but 77, okay? So right there, 776. Let's see. We did not manage to break below. We didn't close below. We just sold off quick. But I think I should mitigate and manage my risk and manage my position. So I'll simply just move my stop loss. I know this is too quick and I might get stopped out. So I understand the risk that I will get stopped out for nothing, but I'm still in profit if I get stopped out. So I'm still short, guys. Nothing have changed. I lost my first trade for today, and now I'm short. So first I went long. I thought it would hold, and now I'm short. Currently up 200. I lost 400 in the first one. So I might get stopped out now. We'll break even. still short. Again, it's very easy to see like where the market is planning to go. Right now I'm risking zero money, and I'm targeting, right now I'm targeting to make $2,700. So I'm targeting 2.5%. Let's see here. I'm planning to move my stop loss again if we do not start selling off soon. No progress. I'm gonna close this short position here. I got stopped out. It might be a fake out, but I got stopped out for nothing. $12. I'm planning to do another short position here if we can sell below again, but I'm currently stopped out for a very little profit. So one losing trade and one break-even trade. We went below and now we're just pushing. Why? Because yeah, we have news. The news was better than expected. And here is just a little bit worse than expected. But again, overall, okay news. Again, we have news coming in about 10 minutes for the DAX. Thinking about shorting the market here again. Shorting the market here, I know it's risky. It's currently trading at 87. I'm also down and ready to scalp the market today. If there's no opportunities, I can scalp it and make a fortune. Thinking about exit this short here. I'm just gonna exit this short. I just opened at 84 now, so exit short, because I'm not super sure if it's gonna come back to highs. And that's what I think. So I just exit that one for a small profit of like, I don't know, $40. So two kind of like break even, one loss. So overall down 0.25% today. That's okay. The market is down 3% in where I'm from. Let's see here. Break below here, it's a clean short for me, and I will probably target 750 or even lower. So I'm just preparing myself for a short position. Once we break below here, this could be a very big day for me. I could potentially make a lot of money today. So UK is actually holding quite strong, but that could potentially also be a fake out. Preparing for another short position. And again, my overall plan is actually very simple. Shorting it back to the 750 level, okay? So my target is 750, and I really want to short it if it breaks below 970. Okay? So 970, break below, so around here, shorting it all the way back to 750. And I'm pretty confident it's gonna work. So we're gonna have confirmation the direction for the market very soon. It's gonna come in about 6 minutes. So then we can hopefully make some good money. This is probably gonna be my last trade for this morning. So I'm waiting for it to give me some confirmation. Again, one trade more and that's it for me. And then I can always come back to it later. I prefer trading NASDAQ, to be honest. I could have been thinking about if I should not stop doing morning session, but just do it optional and then only trade maybe once a week. Then I could trade actively NASDAQ. That's where I'm best. That's the instrument I've been trading for longest time. I've been focusing on DAX lately here, and it's not really managed to work out. I mean, it's very slow, momentum is not there, and price action is not really great. I mean, there's no really volume, it's just been pointing up for the past month with no confirmation. So I'm preparing a short position here. Again, we're gonna have news soon. I'm thinking about going short here before confirmation. Why? Because this is looks like very weak to me. So if DAX is gonna come back to 95 or maybe 94, push a little bit back, green candle is gonna come in, I'm gonna go short, okay? So I'm actually planning about going short here. Stand by for a short position. I'm currently shorting the DAX here. Why? Because if I go short here, have an idea if this is gonna come back to here, then I'm risking too much. Right now I'm risking not that much. I'll just exit before time just to lock in some profit. So I just exit at 75. Why? Because I can. So get 200 back, 190 back, lost 420. So down a couple of hundred. Let's see here. You see that overall idea? And then I have a stop loss here, and then if I go short now, I have a stop loss there, then I'm risking too much. But let's see. If it's gonna break below, I'm gonna take a short. But again, if it breaks below, it could easily also come back to here. So just have that in mind. We have news in about 3 minutes. And this market could really push crazy, but it could also really sell off. I'm about to go with another short position here. So I'm planning a short position, just so you're aware. Going for a short position here. Might be a little bit risky. So have that in mind. Gonna see if this is gonna push and then we can exit. But again, it could also potentially come back. My overall risk is just exit here. Just waiting and just exit for nothing. I'm just waiting for it to see if it's gonna really break below. It is already below and it's clean for me to go short here, but I'm not just sure. I'm opening a little bit lighter short position here. It's currently at 20 contracts. I'm gonna have a stop loss placed at 20, 24, 25. And I'm gonna target 750, okay? So I'm currently going after here. We have news soon. Going after making 4,000, this one here. News is about to come in, so we could potentially exit this one here. Let's just exit before time, just to lock in some profits and have some money in the bank. I just locked in profits again at 60. So I started with a loss and I managed to get it back. Plan to go for another short position here. We have news, and I'm actually thinking about gamble about this one. So we have news in about a couple of seconds. I'm thinking about if I should go for a quick short, but I think it's very risky. I'm doing a 50% stop loss and 300 target. I'm shorting it here. It's currently trading at 50. Getting ready for exit this one here. I just exit here. My short, that's a great trade. Thinking about re-entering a short position. It's below. It's really pointing down. Thinking about shorting it again. It's a little bit risky here, guys. We have a great support here, but I'm about to short it here again. It's not really risky. We've only been going short. What's the risk? So now I'm in profit for the day. I'm in a little bit profit, so that's good. Better than being a loss. So we had news. So let's see here. That's worse than expected. That the market should fall based on that, in my opinion. I'm about to short the market here again. About to short the market here again. I'm gonna go short here with a break below. I'm currently shorting it here. It's currently trading at 43. It's not really breaking below as I expected. Moving stop loss is 62. Let's see. I'm about to exit my short position. Let's just exit here for $100 at 34, 32. You could exit at 32 if you want. It's up to you. You don't have to exit. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you this is what I'm currently doing. I'm about to short it again here. Planning to go a little bit more heavy in. It is a short opportunity for me. But again, we are 33 minutes over. Made good money today. I did one mistake of going long. I'm gonna go for a short again here. I'm shorting the market here. Let's see here if it's gonna push. I'll exit here again at 20. As you can see, it's currently trading at 20. I just went to 19. I think I'm just gonna stop here and call it a morning, and I'll see you later. We made okay money trading today. Not a lot, but still okay. 400, better than nothing. Looks like it's another short opportunity for me actually. But again, it could really come back. So if it breaks above 50, we have to be a little bit careful here. could be a potential long position here. No. I'm planning to do another short position here. I really want to target 750. I'm gonna go short here at 950. It's a risky setup. Again, it's a little bit against the trend, but I know it could potentially come back to 900 or 750. I'm not super confident. Yeah, I'm gonna call it this morning. I'll see you New York session. Looking for it. I'm glad we managed to make some money. Remember, position size is everything and direction is everything. I hope you learned something.